Hi, my name is Hannah and I'm a gardener and very interested in everything that has to do with gardening. And in this channel I'm going to tell you everything about my new project, which is that I just finally found my dream house. It's a tiny cottage and it's located in Sweden, and the garden is big. It's a huge garden, and basically I don't have any perennials, no plants, no ornamental bushes, nothing here. It's only some trees and grass, so everything has to be planned from the beginning, and this garden is going to grow from scratch, just from nothing to my perfect dream garden, to my heaven. So I'm really excited about this. I have been looking for my perfect place on earth since I was 20 or something like that. I know I went to look at a place in the countryside around then, and the bank didn't give me a mortgage, so I couldn't afford to buy it. And I have been looking more or less all the time since then. Some years more frequently and more intensive, and some years not so much, but finally I found the right spot, and I just love it. I haven't received the keys yet, so I don't really know what to expect, except for that I know that this cottage is quite run down. There are problems with the roof that has to be fixed. At the moment there isn't any electricity and there's no water, although there is a dug well, but I don't know anything about the water quality. So to know that, I have to get the electricity fixed, and I have to empty the well and wash it and then refill it, and then I can take a water sample to check if I can use the water or not for drinking. So it's going to be such an exciting time for me, and I'm not a carpenter. I'm not good at constructing or building things, and I've never renovated anything, and this is not, I think, what this channel is going to be about, since my biggest passion in life is gardening. So I will mostly show you my journey in this garden, from having nothing really to building my dream garden. And I so much hope that you want to join me on this journey. So please hit the subscribe button and click the small bell and turn on notifications. So have a lovely day or evening wherever you are, and please comment below if you're interested in seeing this, and if it's any special aspects you're interested in knowing about me or the cottage, and I will take a look. It's going to be so exciting, and also it would be lovely if you write where you're from, so I can know who is following me. Have a nice time, and hope to see you next time. I'm then going to show you around my new cottage garden. Bye!